Okay, so I'm going to start with satin stitch. So I'm going to be filling the plant pot rim and the plant pot itself with satin stitch. What you can do to make it a little bit easier for yourself, if you have a friction pen or a pencil, just lightly draw a line down the centre and just sort of do them equally, sort of same distance apart. You can keep the direction the same like that if you want, just to make it easier for yourself. You don't have to do this, and this will just help guide you and keep your stitches fairly straight. So generally I start from the centre, so just pull your needle up from the bottom of the rim and just push it all the way down to the bottom, and then you're going to come back up near to where you started, not in the same hole, just right next to it, and the same again, just to the side, and you're just going to keep doing that. So you just fill in the space. Don't worry if there's gaps, you can go back and fill them. And you're just going to work your way down one side. So my thread's finished, so I'm just going to fasten it off at the back just by pushing it through the threads at the back. And then just snipping that off. Starting a new thread. So because this is on an angle, I'll just keep going into that very corner. Or what you can do is work your way up the line, like this, just to keep the shape. Like that. And then I'll go back to the centre and do the same on the other side. So what you can do with these lines is, if you wanted to, is do those first. That way then when your stitches meet those lines, they should stay in line. And then I'm just going to do the same thing, but for the rim of the plant pot. And that is how to do a satin stitch. So what I'll say is, if your edges aren't super neat like this and they're all sort of jagged, don't worry about that, because we will cover that in the next episode, which will be a split stitch. So I will see you then. Bye guys.